Good morning, it's Nancy today. I have another great idea. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a tunnel for the birds. How would that be for different? Well, there's a lot happening right here. Okay, so what I thought I'd do is I would put sunflower seeds in here. Hello, Mr. Downy Woodpecker. Hello. It's hard to hold the camera and do this, huh? Okay, so we'll put that in there, and then we shall put it like this. Actually, we could put it here, so we can see inside from in there. There. You're welcome. The birds will like that when they get ready for it. I should have plowed this. Oh, I figured out how to make the smell of balsam needles. You put them in water on the wood stove. That is right. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. It's because I don't think of everything. So it smells nice in here now. I'll have to add more water for it. Okay, bye.